Hi everyone, hope you all are doing fine. This video is specifically for CMA Foundation student. Okay, so what will be the strategy for CMA Foundation in June 2021 exams and December student can also follow this strategy. Okay, so this video is specifically for CMA Foundation student, all category of student, those students who are taking classes, those students who are doing self-study, and those oral coaching student or postal coaching. Everything is for foundation student. For inter or final, I will prepare a separate video. Okay, and after watching this video, any CMA foundation student have doubt in any, you have any doubt in your mind, so you can ask me and surely I will reply you. So let's start the video. So guys, yes, as you know that 100% MCQ based paper or online exam will take place. No doubt for offline or online, 100% online or MCQ based. Okay, and the benefit given by the institute to you that no negative marking will take place for you. Okay, so if you attempt wrong answers, no negative marking will apply for you. So this will be the benefit provided by the institute. Okay, so how you need to attempt the questions? Those students who are doing self study, just for just you can focus on the study material. Okay, nothing will come from the study material. 100% study material is sufficient. Okay, so those students who are taking classes, dear, just follow the teacher, just follow your teacher. The teacher whatever he's telling to you, just follow your teachers and accept the strategy of your teacher, the notes provided by teacher, the MCQ series. Just follow the teacher and 100% you will clear your exams. Now those students who are doing the self study, so guys, for you, everything for CMA foundation is available on YouTube. You can write the topic, and like course content is also available on YouTube, so you can watch. But for MCQ preparation series, I will suggest you that all category of student, 100% your study material MCQ is sufficient to clear your exam CMA foundation June or December 2021. So hope you understand. Okay, so yes guys, but now we are in the starting of March. So we have March, April, and May, 3 months, 19 days we have left. So first priority of every CMA foundation student to complete 100% course as soon as possible with revision. 2 revision is sufficient for CMA foundation student. Okay, and I will suggest you that for you need not to buy any reference book. Study material itself is sufficient to clear your CMA foundation. Nothing will come out of your study material. Study material is guys sufficient. So okay, so if any doubt you can ask me. Okay, so how MCQ you need to attempt? So 100% MCQ from study material is sufficient. Okay guys, study material MCQ is sufficient. You need not to buy any reference book for study material as well or for MCQ. And I will request to all CMA foundation student, if you are watching any content from YouTube, that is okay, but for MCQ I will suggest that it will be a wasting of your time. It is my personal suggestion. Study material or for CMA foundation is itself sufficient. Okay, if you want to buy for MCQ series from online, so you can do the thing, but for MCQ study material itself is sufficient. Okay, so those students who are taking classes, just follow the teachers. Those students who are doing self studies, sufficient self study material. Okay, if you want to watch videos on YouTube, yes, everything is available. 100% course content is available on YouTube. Okay, but now you need to attempt MCQ. How you need to attempt MCQ? So yes, everything is available on study material. For MCQ, yes guys, study material is sufficient. And now come how you need to attempt the paper. Okay guys, how you need to attempt the paper? So guys, you have 100% MCQ based where there will be no negative marking. So you need to, every student need to attempt 100. If you know the answer, just tukka you can say that A, B, C as per your wish. Okay, because suppose 20, you know the answer of 80 questions, you solve the 80 questions and correctly give the answers. For 20 questions, so you just A, B, C, D as per your own wish, as per your convenience. Okay, so maybe it is possible that out of 20 questions you will get that 10 questions correct. Okay, so there will be no negative marking. So what, from out of 20 mark you will get 10 marks. So this will be a plus point or bonus, you can say that. Okay, so hope you understand. So in exam you need to stay calm or stay positive. Okay, if there is a problem in your system, you need not to panic, you need not to worry. Just stay calm and be positive in every situation or every minute during the exams. Okay, so you need to attempt those questions on priority. You have 100% command over those questions, so attempt on priority those questions, dear. You have 100% command over it. Okay, so you in the online examination you can go with the any question. Suppose you are doing question number 2, so you can directly jump to question number 35. Okay, hope you are understanding this point. So you do not know the answer of question number 2, you just leave the question number 2. You do not know the answer of question number 11, just leave the question number 11. So on priority, you have to complete those questions. You know the correct answers. So on top priority. So because you are in safe condition, ki I have scored, I have attempted those questions, I can easily complete my CMA foundation. So in the remaining time, whichever the question you have left, you need to attempt like in the form of tukka. Suppose after 20 questions, you can maybe you can get 10 marks. So hope you understand my strategy. Need not to panic if your system is not working. There is a problem with the system. Stay calm. Just stay calm. Everything will be okay. Okay. So nothing wrong will be happen. Suppose any student is facing problem in any subject. Yes, re-exam will take place. So need not to worry. But stay calm and stay positive. Okay. Institute, nothing wrong will happen with any student, even a single student. Okay. So hope you understand, and yes, your studies are going well. After watching this video, have any doubt, you can ask me, and surely I will try to help you. So after I will such kind of strategies, motivational videos in future, or any update, I will come up in this channel, such kind of videos. So guys, bye guys.